All right, so we're going to start by factoring the polynomial 5p to the fourth minus 10p squared plus 25p. Okay, so to find the GCF, to find the greatest common factor, I would always start with the coefficients. So the coefficients of this polynomial are 5, -10, and 25, and see what factor those have in common. So for this problem, the GCF between 5, -10, and 25 would be 5. Okay, then you want to look at your variables. So I've got p to the fourth, p squared, and p. So the question is, what is a factor of p to the fourth? Well, p to the fourth is the same thing as p multiplied 4 times. So technically I have p times p times p times p. I've got 4 of them. -10p squared has 2 of them, and 25p has 1 of them. So what do they all have in common would just be 1p. Okay? And my hint to you on that would be that the variable that they have in common is always going to be the one with the smallest exponent. Okay? So now step 2 is to actually factor out 5p from this polynomial. So to do that, I'm going to divide each term by the GCF. So I will divide this by 5p, this by 5p, and this by 5p. Okay? So the 5p doesn't go anywhere. It's my factor, so that needs to go outside of the parentheses. And then inside of the parentheses, I write what's left after I divide each term by 5p. So here the 5s would cancel. P to the fourth divided by p would be p cubed. Then -10 divided by 5 would be -2p. 25 divided by 5 is 5, and here the p's would cancel. And that would be our final answer. We can check ourselves by working backwards. So in Unit 1, we actually learned to distribute. And you can check. So 5p times p cubed would be 5p to the fourth, then minus 10p squared, and then plus 25p. So check, we did it right.